So welcome you all to Forever. Forever Living Products, where ordinary people, we all want to achieve an extraordinary results, right? So most people might know about Robert Kiyosaki, the famous book author, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. From his another book, 21st Century Business, there has been a topic called cash flow quadrant, where the cash flows from to four different peoples. Like one is E is employee, S is self-employed, and B is big business owner, and I is investor. So throughout the world, they have done a research how the money flows from people to people. So only these are the four segments where the money flows. So most of them, 95% are there in the zone of E and self-employed, employee and self-employed, where there is only 5% wealth. Whereas coming to big business and investors, there are only 5% people across the world enjoying the 95% of the wealth. So if you want to grow financially rich, you need to do something which is related to big business. But for you to do a big business, you need a system that should work for you. Whereas if you take any corporate company, it has its own system where people are working there and the CEO will be getting benefited out of that because they designed the system in such a way. So for you to grow financially rich, you need to have a system, right? So Forever gives you a system where without investing more on infrastructure, you can start a business. And today to start up any business, there is a lot of financial involvement. Without investment, you cannot even think of starting a business, right? So Forever gives you that platform to build your own business, to become as an entrepreneur. You can without boss, you can work on yourself. So you can know more about ESBI in about some videos we will share you later on, or also in YouTube you can find a lot of videos about ESBI. And we are an aloe vera company, and we are headquartered at USA, Arizona, and this is an debt-free company, and we are currently operating in 160 countries. And this is 43-year-old company. We started the company started in 1978. So aloe vera, most people have health benefits. It can be used internally and externally. Why only Forever aloe vera? Because we are the world's largest grower and manufacturers of aloe vera and beehive products. So these are the certifications you can see. These are the international certifications where 160 countries have given an approval for these products. So we are into aloe vera drinks, nutrition supplements, skincare. We have products for every lifestyle. The purpose is to look better and feel better, and Forever is for everyone. So what you can do is you can share the products, use the products, feel the benefits, and you can change your life through this business option. So who want to change their lifestyle? Well, everyone want to travel, everyone want to own a new car and want to have a lifestyle and want to have a pension once they retire. And we all look for financial freedom, and most people are looking today for better health. So what is your why? So Forever gives you an option to own a car of your own dream. You can have the travel around the world, and we show you the money. The Forever gives you a chairman bonus, which is a big income over here. And when we see, most of the people have some query that will it work for me. So you can see different kind of people, different domain of people are working here. They are software people are there, nurse and physical therapist is there, and interior designers are there. So people from different verticals are working with this option. So most people start forever business for a better lifestyle or for a better health. So what is your option?